Hello student, let me continue. Exercise 6.4 of chapter 6, square and square root. Sum number 6 to 9. Sum number 6. Find the side of a square whose area is 441. Area of square field 441 meter square. Side of square field, that is root 441. Pair 2 2s are 4. Subtract 0. Pair 41. Double of 2 4. 1 multiplied by 1 and 1 we will write in the quotient. We have after multiplication 41, remainder is 0. So side of square is 21 meter. Now the next, sum number 7. In a triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB 6, BC 8. To find AC. For AC we use Pythagoras. That is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Reason, using Pythagoras, AB 6 square, BC 8 square, 36 plus 64 makes 100. Then AC equals to root 100. That is 10 multiply 10. Answer is 10 centimeter. Now the next is part B. In right angle at B, AC is 13, BC 5. To find AB, here we again use Pythagoras, which is equal to AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Put the values. 13 square 169. AB square same. 5 5s are 25. Now solving. 25 comes to left hand side, becomes of minus. Now subtract 144. So AB is root 144. Square root of this number. Pair double of 1 is 2. Write 2 multiplied by 2. Write 2 as quotient. We have 44. Hence AB is 12 centimeter. Now the next, question number 8. A gardener has 2000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and number of columns remain same. Find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. That's why we have to add some plants. Square root of 1000. 3 3s are 9. Subtract 1. Pair 0 0. Double of 3. 6. Write 1 1 1. Multiply by 1. We have 61. After subtracting we have 39, but we have to add. So 31 square is less than 1000. 1000 is less than 32 square. So we again do it. 3 3 is 9, 1 00, 3 2 is 6. Right here 2 2 2 multiplied by 2. We have 124. Now subtract. We have 24. So number of rows equal to number of column. We have to add 24 into 1000. 24 more plants we need to make it perfect square. Number of rows equal to number of columns, that is equals to 32. More plant we need. That is 24 plants. Next question. Question number 9. There are 500 children in a school. For a PT drill, they have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? That's why we have to subtract the remainder. For it, first we will find square root of 500. Pair 2 to the 4. Pair 0 0. 5 minus 4 1. Double of 4. Double of 2 4. Write 2 multiplied by 2. After multiplication we have 84. Remainder is 16. So 16 children would be left out in this arrangement. Thank you.